Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to chat.
That's right. Our goal is to help you listen to natural English that is easy to understand. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here with us.
If you find our conversations helpful, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today, we are talking about the things we love the most. We are talking about favorites. So, Bella, let's start with a classic question. What is your favorite food?
Oh, that is a hard choice. I love so many things, but if I must choose only one, I think it is Italian pasta.
Pasta? Why pasta?
Because it is comfort food. It makes me feel warm and happy. I love creamy carbonara with a lot of cheese. What about you, Alex? Are you a pizza person?
I like pizza, but my favorite is actually Japanese sushi. I love the fresh fish and the rice. It feels very healthy.
Sushi is great, but I'm always still hungry after eating it.
You just need to order more. And what about your favorite drink? I think I already know the answer.
Yes, you do. It is coffee. I am a coffee lover. I need a cup of hot coffee every morning to wake up my brain.
I like coffee too, but my favorite drink is green tea. It is very relaxing. Sometimes I put a little bit of honey in it.
Honey and green tea? That's interesting. I prefer my coffee black, no sugar, no milk.
You are much tougher than me, Bella.
Let's talk about entertainment. Alex, what is your favorite movie of all time?
That is easy. My favorite movie is The Lion King. I know it is a movie for children, but I love the music and the story.
Oh, I love that one too. It makes me cry every time. My favorite movie is a bit different. I love romantic comedies.
Romantic comedies? Like movies about people falling in love and being funny?
Exactly. They are lighthearted and happy. My favorite is Notting Hill. It is a classic.
I prefer action movies or science fiction. I like movies with space, robots, and big explosions.
You are such a typical boy, Alex. And what about music? Who is your favorite singer?
Right now, I really like Ed Sheeran. His voice is very smooth and his lyrics are easy to understand, which is great for our English students.
That's true. I love Adele. Her voice is so powerful. When I'm sad, I listen to her songs and I feel better.
Music is like medicine for the heart, isn't it?
It really is. Let's try some simpler favorites. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow, like the sun. It is a very positive color. It makes me want to smile.
My favorite is blue, like the ocean. It is very calm. When I see the color blue, I feel relaxed.
That fits your personality, Alex. You are very calm. And what about the seasons? Do you like the cold or the heat?
I love autumn. I love it when the leaves change color from green to orange and red. The weather is not too hot and not too cold. It's perfect for walking.
Autumn is beautiful, but my favorite is summer. I love the long days and the sunshine. I love going to the beach and swimming in the sea.
But summer is so hot. I sweat too much.
That's why you go in the water. If you could go anywhere in the world right now, where would you go? What is your favorite place?
My favorite place in the world is London. I lived there for a year and I loved the museums, the parks, and the old buildings.
London is nice, but my favorite place is the mountains. I love the fresh air and the silence. It's a great place to disconnect from my phone.
I agree. Sometimes we use our phones too much. What is your favorite country to visit for vacation?
I think my favorite is France. The bread, the cheese, the art, everything is so beautiful.
I want to go to Australia. I want to see a kangaroo and a koala. That is my favorite dream.
I hope you get to go there one day, Alex. Just watch out for the spiders.
Let's talk about animals. Do you have a favorite animal?
I am a dog person. My favorite animals are dogs. They are so loyal and friendly. I have a small dog named Toby.
Toby is very cute. I'm a cat person. My favorite animals are cats. I like them because they are independent and very soft.
Cats are okay, but they don't play fetch.
True. And what about your favorite hobby? What do you love doing in your free time?
My favorite hobby is reading. I love getting lost in a good story. I usually read before I go to sleep.
My favorite hobby is photography. I love taking pictures of nature and people. It helps me see the beauty in small things.
Alex, we should give a small tip to our listeners.
Yes, beginners often ask, "What is your favorite?" But how do we answer?
You can say, my favorite thing is X. For example, my favorite color is blue.
Or you can say, "I like X the most."
That's right. Also, remember that favorite can be a noun or an adjective. This is my favorite book. Or, of all these books, this one is my favorite.
And in British English, we spell it F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. But in American English, it is F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E.
Both are correct. Don't worry about the U.
Okay, Bella, here is a funny one. What is your favorite chore?
A favorite chore? Is there such a thing?
Well, a chore is a job you have to do at home, like cleaning.
I think my favorite chore is washing the dishes. I like the warm water and the bubbles. It's a bit like playing.
You are strange, Bella. My favorite chore is mowing the lawn. I love the smell of cut grass.
And what is your favorite guilty pleasure?
A guilty pleasure is something you love, but you feel a little embarrassed about, right?
Yes.
Okay, my guilty pleasure is eating cold pizza for breakfast.
No, that is terrible.
It's delicious. What about yours?
Mine is watching reality TV shows. You know, those shows where people argue about nothing. I know they are silly, but I can't stop watching.
We all have our secrets, Bella.
Why do you think people love talking about their favorites, Alex?
I think it is the best way to get to know someone. If I know your favorite book and your favorite place, I know a little bit about your soul.
That's very poetic. It is also a very safe topic. Everyone has a favorite something.
Exactly. It's a great icebreaker. An icebreaker is a way to start a conversation with someone you don't know well.
So, to our students, the next time you meet someone, ask them about their favorites.
Well, Bella, this has been my favorite conversation of the week.
You are so sweet, Alex. Mine too.
We hope all of you enjoyed listening. We hope you learned some new words and feel more confident.
Now, we want to hear from you. What is your favorite English word?
Tell us in the comments. We promise to read them all.
If you liked this video, please give us a like. It really helps our channel reach more students like you.
And one last time, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to Ready Talk. We have many more favorite topics coming soon.
Thank you for practicing your English with us today. You are doing a great job.
We will see you in the next video.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.